back to my channel. In today's video, we are getting ready to go to this Christmas themed restaurant and I am so excited. I actually went once before and I didn't vlog it and I was so upset. But me and another one of my friends got reservations and I'm so excited because this was like trending on TikTok and it was very hard to find reservations. And I know it's after Christmas, but this is literally the only one that they had. So this is just what we decided to do and I'm super excited because now I get to vlog it and bring you guys along with. Right now, I'm currently by my boyfriend's house. My friend's going to pick me up in a little bit, so I'm just getting ready before she comes. I have no idea what I want to wear, but I want to take really cute pictures because last time I went, I got good pictures, but I didn't love my outfit. I'll insert a few pictures now. It was still really fun. I just wish I kind of like met the vibe more. I don't know. I'm basically wearing the same exact outfit in a different font tonight, if that makes sense. You'll see in a minute, but quickly just trying to get ready. So I'm going to film some of that, and then this video is also going to be kind of like a somewhat of a reset starting tomorrow and maybe some of New Year's Eve. I'm not sure yet because I haven't decided when exactly I am posting this video, so it might be a little bit of a few days in my life kind of vlog, but I love those. I've been trying to do the I'm cold makeup look and I feel like I just don't do it right because whenever I put it on, I cannot see my blush. I don't know if it's just I'm not putting enough on, but I feel like I am, so it's very confusing. Like, I feel like that's a good amount of blush. Maybe it's not. Someone let me know if I'm doing it wrong because when I blend it out, it just doesn't look, at least to me, like I'm wearing blush. So maybe I'm just not putting enough on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, I don't see a difference. But that is the little rundown for this video. I'm super excited about the new year. I honestly don't know what I'm doing for New Year's Eve. I'm trying to get it all planned out with my boyfriend, but we are still kind of planning it out. I also don't have an outfit, so that is kind of stressing me out too because I at least want to take some cute New Year's Eve pictures. I'm definitely doing something. I'm just not sure if we're going out yet or staying in. I'm going to quickly finish my makeup because I can never do my eyes on camera. I just feel like they never turn out right, so I'll show you guys my outfit when I finish. Alrighty, I'm all dressed for dinner. This is the little outfit. I think it looks really cute. I'm wearing this little sweater from Grey Bandit. This skirt is from Princess Polly. The tights are my boyfriend's mom's. Boots are my mom's, and then this bag is also my boyfriend's mom's. I think it looks cute and cozy. It actually just started raining, so I might need a jacket, but I think this is really cute and I'm excited. My friend's gonna come pick me up now and we're going to head to the restaurant. I forgot to say this, but I put my hair in braids after I took a shower and I'm going to take them out once they dry, so I won't actually be going to dinner with my hair looking this crazy. I'm going to take it out and put a little bow in it, but I'm trying to get my hair to dry so that it's curly and cute. It is 11 o'clock the next day and me and Madison had so much fun last night. I love going to those Christmas pop-up shops and holiday pop-up shops. Literally any type of pop-up shop I think is so fun, but especially during the holidays, there's just something that adds so much magic to the holiday season, if you know what I mean. Anyways, we had a lot of fun. The food was pretty good, the drinks were good, and now it is all about New Year's prep and everything like that. So right now it is December 30th. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. When this video is posted, it's probably going to be in the new year already. So happy new year to all of you guys. Let me know how you celebrated the new year, whether you stayed in, you went out, just let me know so we can chat in the comments. And today I'm kind of dedicating my day to just getting back on track, getting everything I need to do done before the new year, just because I feel like that is a good way to start the new year. I'm gonna go get my nails done because right now they are all like Christmassy and I love them, but I feel like I'm just due for a new set of nails. I got these done around like 4 weeks ago, so they're extremely grown out. I really want to do this style right here. It's like a little bow pink type of theme, but it's very simple and I really like it. My nail tech is really good at doing nails. Like, look at how good these designs look. They look amazing. So I am not worried. I think he'll do really good. And these are really simple and I think they're perfect for the new year and the vibe that I'm kind of trying to welcome in. But gonna do that and then I have to do some planning for the new year. So first things first, we're gonna go kind of fix my hair because it looks crazy. I'm gonna run to my apartment. I stayed at Chad's last night and then I'm gonna go to the nail salon and get my nails fixed. It is now the next day, and I'm actually getting ready to have my friends come and pick me up because we're gonna go get coffee, and then we have so much to do today. When I'm filming this, it's New Year's Eve, and I honestly did not have New Year's Eve plans for so long. Me and my boyfriend had no idea what we were gonna do. Then we decided, oh, like, let's go to Hoboken, until I looked at the ticket to get into the place for New Year's Eve. It was $125. So then I was talking to my boyfriend, and he was like, okay, we'll just go to like a house party. And then one of my friends decided to host at her house, so we're going to a small little New Year's Eve house party at my friend Madison's house, which should be fun. I'm excited. I bought all like decorations and everything from Target early in December because I was set on having a party at my apartment, but then it just didn't work out that way. My friend Madison was like, hey, like, we should just have a party at my house, and I was like, okay, that's perfect. I'll just bring the decorations that I bought to your house. So we're gonna go get coffee, and then we're gonna go to the mall because I also have absolutely nothing to wear, and I want to take cute New Year's Eve pictures because I literally never get any pictures on New Year's Eve, and I really want them. Then we're going to go get champagne, and I also have to get earrings because I lost my second hole earrings, which is really annoying because I lose them all the time. They just continuously fall out of my ears. Then we're gonna go back to her house and make some appetizers for tonight. I actually have no idea what we're even making, but that is the little plan, and I'm going to help her clean and decorate, and then I'm gonna come home, pick up Chad, and then we're gonna go to her house around like 7:30. So it should be fun. I'm just doing a little makeup right now, and then I'll do makeup later. I'm usually not too strict on how my makeup looks. As long as it looks decent, I'm like, okay, this is fine. But since we're taking New Year's Eve pictures, I really want to look my best and like very glammy. I'm looking for something very sparkly in the mall just because I feel like that is screaming New Year's Eve. Also, I didn't even show you guys. I went to the nail salon yesterday. They're very, very simple. They're like this vanilla pearl chrome, and I absolutely love them. My nail tech did such a good job. I was going to do the bows, but then I was like, okay, I don't really know if I want it this time. I think I want it more in February, since February reminds me a lot of pink because of Valentine's Day, and also like the hearts. I was like, okay, that might be better for February. And to be honest with you guys, I just did not want to wait to get the design. So I ended up doing this one, and I actually really like it. I just showed my nail tech a picture, and he was like, okay, don't even pick the color, I got it. And I was like, okay. But that is the little plan for today, and I'm really excited. I honestly have no idea what this vlog turned into. It was supposed to be a vlog of me like getting ready for the new year and just like kind of vlogging my weekend, which I guess it is because in ways I am still getting ready for the new year, and I'm just having fun while doing it. I have posted more serious vlogs though of me like actually resetting for the new year and stuff like that. So if you're more interested in those, I'll link them down below, but I am still doing stuff in this vlog to get ready, which you guys will see in a little bit. I'm running really late. My friend is on her way, and I'm not even ready, so I'm really trying to hurry up this process. But this is the last step I have to my makeup, so it's okay. Makeup is done, and now I'm just gonna go grab a pair of shoes, and we are going to run all of our errands. I also need to pick up some stuff from the food store since we're stopping at my apartment, just so I'm refreshed for the week. That's something I really like to do. I always like to be refreshed for a week, and also since New Year's Eve is on a Sunday, it's like the perfect type of reset type of video because Monday is like the new week and also the new year. So it's like the perfect little reset, and I'm so excited. Let's go get some coffee. It is New Year's. Happy New Year's. I had a really good New Year's. It was fun. Now I'm going to do all my planning. I already have an idea of what I want my planning to be, but I actually want to plan it all out. So I went to Target earlier this week, and I got a planner, and this is a weekly and monthly planner for January 2024 to December 2024. Look at how pretty it is. First of all, I love it. And I really like the structure of this journal because it has tabs for each month, and it also has little prompts. So on this first page right here, it says seasonal goals. So you'll write your spring goals, your summer goals, your fall goals, and your winter goals, which I think is amazing. And then it has little prompts like throughout the whole entire journal. You can do my bucket list, has a full monthly spread, and then also a weekly spread, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go through this and just do some of my goals and kind of plan out my whole year, what I wanna see, what I want to improve on, my self-care stuff and everything like that. And then I'm also going to make my vision board. I told you guys so many times that I'm going to do a whole video about a vision board. And then when I was trying to put it together, I realized realized I did a whole one last year and I would just have been repeating the same exact things. So I'll link that video down below if you want to see how I create my vision board, just because I didn't want to be repetitive and I do the same exact thing that I did last year. So I will link that down below. But I'm going to go on Canva, scroll on Pinterest, and also make a vision board. For my vision boards, I like to have one on my phone and one on my computer as the screensaver because it really just helps me remember it every single day. And also I am going to write down my daily affirmations that I want to be able to say every single day. Also, I'm starting 75 hard. I am going to make a whole other video about that because I really want to stick to it, but I'm not starting it until January 13th because I'm going to Florida on January 10th and it just wouldn't make sense for me to start it until I actually can complete it with no doubt in my mind. So I'm gonna start on January 13th. I was going to start today, but then I was thinking about it last night and I was like, it just wouldn't make sense because it would be too hard when I'm in Florida and don't have transportation to go to the gym and stuff like that. So it'd just be easier to start on the 13th. So that is definitely one of my goals, but I'm going to start on the 13th when I get home. So we have a lot of things to do today. So I'm going to start with my planner and then work my way to my vision board. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is, as you know, I got my nails done in this vlog. I broke my nail. It's like a very, very slim chip, but it's really annoying and I can't stop like fidgeting with it because it's annoying me, and the nail salon is closed today obviously, so I can't even go get it fixed. So I'm trying to distract myself. So let's do some planning.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone.
Whenever I let my hair dry naturally, I feel like it just never looks the same and I don't like it. I wish it like dried nice. But I finished planning. It actually went really well. Whenever I have a really good reset and plan, I feel so inspired, especially about 2024. There's just something about all the even numbers and turning 24, and I don't know, I just feel something very good and very positive vibes, so I'm very excited. I only have to go food shopping today and I was really nervous that no stores were gonna be open, but I just came to ShopRite and it looks very packed. So that's a good sign. So I can go get some food and kind of like refresh my apartment food-wise. So I'm gonna go in there and see what I could find and hopefully get some things that I need because like I said, I am starting 75 hard and I keep going back and forth on if I should just do the diet throughout Florida and just like enjoy nature in Florida and stuff like that, or if I should wait until after Florida. But I feel like I'm just gonna start tomorrow because honestly, I want to start as soon as possible and start off the new year right. So disregard what I said before, I'm starting tomorrow. And that is my final decision because if I keep thinking about it, I'm gonna keep going back and forth and it's gonna really confuse me. So we're gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna go get some food and I also might get flowers because flowers just put me in a very good mood. And like I said, I wanna start off the new year right. So I think we're gonna do that as well.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside, and I can't find a way to just ignore it, and I can't really take it anymore, cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind.